Lost on the needle, constellations in the crack. No clan in the ledger, still the cosmos left a track. Gray, green, black, bleb, ancient pressure in the groove. KG022, let the mineral record move. Before desert wind, I was pressure made precise. In a differentiated furnace, reduction set the price. Oxygen fugacity sank, ferrous pigment left the frame. Magnesian architecture with no familiar family name. Over 90 volume Augie occupied the throne. Subcalcic diopside built an equigranular bone. Fsner 040 hidden deep inside the code. Enstatite lamellae whispered through the crystal load. Dobralite held chromium. Cartoufi S4 alabandite banked manganese behind a sulfur door. Oldamite kept calcium where common oxides failed. Kertroilite drew dark signatures. The cooling body veiled. Obritic echoes hovered, yet my texture broke the ranks. Clinopyroxenite passport, blank taxonomy in the blanks. Every phenologist remembered how primordial chambers act. Born beneath extreme reduction, condense evidence intact. Chondrules never crowned me, pedigree could not agree. In a chondritic witness from a furnace history. Sulfide constellations made the gray interior spark. Ksar Ghilane 0222, thin sections read the dark. An impact drove a fracture through the parent body's night. Ejection velocity cut me loose from gravity's bite. No camera caught descent, the trajectory stayed sealed. Cosmic rays wrote exposure on an unrecorded field. Noble gases stored the mileage, isotopic clocks in stone. Vacuum formed the highway through a heliocentric zone. And the steric drag drew plasma where the outer surface thinned. Patchy fusion crust went black beneath the entry wind. A 25-kilo anchor scattered kin, 50 amassed. Model granules cooled in silence when the fire had passed. Low shock left few deformations, scarce dramatic scars. Fiable, not fragile-minded, I had outlasted stars. Secondary calcite cross-cut after contact with the sand. Halite rings marked terrestrial weathering on the land. 32 north, 9 east, the dunes concealed my face. Till 2023 exposed the evidence in place. From reducing flame to a dune-entombed archive. A specimen outside each group made equations come alive. Eroded skin and remnant crust preserved a double proof. The heavens lost a fragment, earth recovered hidden truth. A polished slice went under crossed polarized light. Millimeter-sized domains turned the microscope bright. Electromicroprobe found F0.1. Laser fluorinations at delta Sezenti near none. Along the fractionation line, oxygen signed its trace. Raman bands divided phases in a spectral chase. Backscatter mapped the blebs, trace elements met the beam. LAICPMS pursued a petrogenetic scheme. The OPX, CPX, geothermometer questioned heat, while alteration stayed separated from the native bead. Albite rims hugged orthopyroxy, narrow, pale and thin. Sodium-rich accessories kept deeper riddles in. Some point toward the innermost world, the data answer. Maybe a matching spectrum is not proven, and don't let headlines claim me. Mercury like chemistry, not a courtroom seal. Ungrouped through evidence, the discipline doubt stays real. Read the sulfide cipher, hear differentiation speak. Iron-free silicates made old assumptions weak. 50 kilograms of anomaly, one archive shouting through. No category could cage what reduction forged anew. Keep the origin calibrated, let uncertainty breathe. A hypothesis hits hardest when it will not